Hey y'all, this is Meredith, and this is everything you need to know about the inspector button in Book Creator. So this I right up here is called the inspector button. I think of it as the formatting button because whatever I am clicked on, this will allow me to format it. Okay, so first off, I'm clicked on nothing. Okay, so I'm going to go up to my inspector button, and this is going to allow me to format my page. Okay, so I can choose comic book backgrounds, paper, borders, patterns. I'm going to choose a pattern. Let's just go with this one. Okay, so I've chosen some polka dots for my pattern in the background. Now, if I want to format either text, an image, or a shape, I have to click on it first. Okay, then I go to the inspector button, and it will allow me to format this. So I can make my text bigger. I can center it, bold. I can change my font. I can change my font color. And anything else that I want to do to the text, I can add a shadow right here from my inspector button. Okay, now if I want to change or if I want to format my shape, first off, you can click inside of shapes. So I'm just going to type something in here and go up to my inspector button. Okay, it's going to allow me to change the color of my shape. It'll let me add a border and change the color of the border. I can make the border thicker. Okay, and I can also change the text settings inside of the shape and make that bigger or smaller. Okay, you can also use the inspector button to change your layering. Okay, so your move to back and front, I can move this front to back. Okay, now the last thing I can do is I can format my image that I've added here. Okay, so I click on it first and then go to the inspector button. I can make it a web address. So if I wanted to, just whatever site I want to go to, I can add that, add alternative text for accessibility, all from my inspector button.